Hi everyone, and welcome to Family Day. I'm Genevieve.
And I'm Dee. Today we're going to be looking at this exhibition that's on in the Deirdre Gallery, and it's all about printmaking.
This collection of artists' work will give us some ideas about how to show you ways to do monoprinting at home. And remember, it is Family Day, so get everyone involved.
We really miss you and we really wish you were here, but let's get started and let's have lots of fun. First of all, we'll need to make a monoprinting window. For this, you'll need light card, some light plastic and some masking tape.
By placing your paper behind the card window, it leaves your print with a clean edge. So I love Aoife Scott's prints. I love the way that she's using recycled plastics, and just looking at all those different colours makes me want to have a go.
Yeah, the colours are gorgeous, and it does look like she's actually torn pieces of card or paper and plastic to make that print.
Great.
Yeah.
Cut a window into the card using scissors. Tape the transparent plastic onto the window. Cut some paper to fit behind the window. And use tape to hold this in place. Mark out the window size onto the transparent plastic with your pen. Open the plastic and roll on a layer of ink. I'm going to use a few different colours, just like Aoife did. Clean the edges of your plastic with your rag. Place torn paper shapes down onto the paper window. Close over the inked up plastic. And rub down the surface of your print. open up the plastic, turn over and move the paper cutout shapes. Close the plastic again. Rub down the surface of the plastic for a second time. This time you could use a pen to draw in some lines. Let's have a look and see how the print turned out. You can use a rag to smudge some of the areas. And have a look and see what you can see.
I love Margot Galvin's work. I find it really interesting, the range of materials that she uses. She's printing on metal. This looks like copper, acrylic, and maybe some stainless steel.
Yeah.
I really like the buildings and the imagery that she uses. And I'm going to show you how to make a print using stencils and drawing.
Great.
Draw a simple building shape on paper and cut out. Cut out some windows from your paper building. A simple way to cut out windows is to fold the paper. Here's one I made earlier. Roll out the ink on the plastic sheeting. I'm using turquoise, yellow and a little pink. Place your stencil on the paper. Carefully fold the plastic on top. Rub well with a cloth. Pull back the plastic and carefully remove the paper stencil. Now you can continue to play with the ink and the stencils. Maybe try printing on different coloured paper, like black paper. For this final print, I also placed the actual paper stencil alongside the print to make for a more interesting result. But these worked out really well. I really like the way you tore the paper for those ones there.
Yeah, Aoife's ones, the torn paper and the layering worked well. I think that the ink was quite thick, so it made it quite smudgy. But on this one, where the ink is thinner, you can really see how it makes it look see-through and it looks a bit more moody.
Yeah, lovely. And I love the little bit of yellow that's creeping into that black one there as well.
And that was a thinner roll of ink. And on this, again, the different layers of printing and using the stencil again really makes it a deep picture.
Yeah, and it's nice printed on black paper too, isn't it? The white comes up really lovely.
Contrast. All of the contrasting ones really stand out.
Okay, so if you want to do some printmaking at home with your family, it's actually quite affordable to buy yourself a roller and one tube of ink. That would be about 15 euros.
Absolutely. And if you're spending that money, all of the other stuff that we've showed you to use is recycled from cereal packets or old card, old plastic.
And this one tube will give you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours of printmaking.
We've really enjoyed having a go at printing for ourselves and looking at the other artists' work in the gallery. You can have a go at enjoying the exhibition too by watching artist Bridget Flannery doing a virtual tour of this exhibition.
I hope that by watching this video, this has given you lots of ideas of new ways to make your own prints, just like we got ideas from the artists in the exhibition at Deirdre.
Have fun and see you soon.
Bye!